So guys, today I am in Turku, which is in Finland. So Turku is basically oldest city of Finland, and right now here I am in the park. This is like Turku's central park, we can say, and here there are a lot of many things, but this is something which is very interesting for me. So they have made small houses just for kids to play, and these are very cute houses, as you can see, like when you walk here. So you can see they have also installed one small signal just to make kids learn that how the traffic signal works. So basically now is like in the winter time, so here there is a lot of snow, as you can see, and it is also very slippery, so it's pretty risky here. But still I am walking because I have only like 6 hours in this city, so I thought that I should make a video because this was very interesting for me. So basically they have made some houses, and also there is a church on this side. Just wait, I will show you on the. So this is the church, a demo church of Turku. Here near the bench you might be able to see, and this is also one of the interesting building of Turku. I have been to the cathedral earlier. I've also been to the art museum, and there is one more archaeological museum, so I've been there as well, but that was not very interesting. But this was really very interesting, and I felt that I should make a video over here. So now from here also there is one place where you can do ice skating in the park. So I'm going there, and I just thought that this was pretty beautiful and cute, like small houses they have made. So I thought that I should make a video of this. So you can see that there are also signals and there are also buttons. Also they have given zebra crossing symbols, and with this now you can see here there are different boards so that kids can play, kids can just have good time, and they can just learn the traffic rules and how things work in the real world. So this is just like a demo for them, so that even if, wow, so you saw that this is very risky here, so you can fall anytime because this is a winter time, and the snow is like not totally snow because it was raining also earlier. So because of snow and water, the ice has gone hard, and because of that there are very high chances that you can slip. So for an example, you can see here that this is snow and this is like hard ice. So here if I walk, there is high chance that I can slip. So now also I was just going to fall here, but if I walk on the snow, so there won't be any problem because it is cushiony and soft. So this was my experience in Turku, and after this I will be going to Stockholm because in the evening we have cruise from Turku to Stockholm, which is the capital of Sweden. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and if you have any doubt, if you want to connect to me, you can always reach out to me over my contact which is given on the YouTube channel, and also you can leave down the comments so that I can get back to you. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.